And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you how to generate symbols. It works just like with emojis, but the difference is that some of these symbols aren't exclusive to the character set UTF-8, so they're independent of this. Let me just give you an example. Maybe we use the euro sign. I have that on my European keyboard, but if you're American you may not have it. We can use a number code, and some of these symbols are also descriptive. So you can use euro, but you have to get rid of the hashtag here because it's not a number. And you also have to add the semicolon. So this is necessary when you use these descriptive codes for the symbols. Other ones that you may want to use, that you definitely know, are the symbols for copyright and trademark. We can simply use copy for this and trade. And again, we don't need a hashtag, but we definitely need a semicolon. All of these are also number coded, so if you don't want to use these descriptive terms, just search for the numbers. I'm going to link to a giant list of symbols available. Let's check these Greek letters like gamma. You've certainly seen that in math or physics. Some symbols, they don't have a descriptive term, so it's necessary to use a number, for example comet. So here we need the number, let me check, 9732. And now we have a comet symbol. As I said, the list is below, so check the video description. And this is how you can add symbols to your websites using HTML. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.